Good day everyone, welcome to Blue Agri TV. Today I'll be showing you how to make $10 in a day using your smartphone. Let's get started. Go into this channel, come inside to this channel and watch some of my videos. What I'm going to do is you go to your Play Store, search for my daily cash. You download the app. Download it. You go to the app. Then open my own app here. First thing is that I'm going to register. I'll drop the registration link in the description below. You'll leave it here. If you share this app, you'll be earning 20 credits. This is how to do the tax here. Let's go. This is how to do the tax here. What I'm going to do is that you download some app here, like this top messenger. I can download it. If I download it, you connect it to your browser. You'll be earning 50 credits in a day. 50 credits in a day. Like now, you download this app, you'll be earning 17 credits in a day. 17 credits in a day. And every 24 hours, you will come here. Any app you download, you have to come here to come and claim it. Like this app here. Now. I've already claimed the reward yesterday. It remains 8 hours to claim again. You have to come here every 24 hours to come and claim your reward. And the minimum to withdraw, here we have 151 credits. The minimum to withdraw is 1,000 credits. 1,000 credits you can withdraw. One of my guys withdrew yesterday. That's what I'm sharing for you guys so that you can see. It's 151 credits here. The minimum to withdraw is 1,000 credits. You can go to your PayPal account. Obviously, minimum has not reached. You have to reach the minimum to withdraw. You put your PayPal account here. Put your email PayPal account and confirm it and update. That is how to connect your PayPal account there. Let's go to the home there. Now let's say you want to do this top messenger credit. Like me, I've claimed my own yesterday. Well, let me show you guys. Just go to deal to take it to Chrome or the app itself. That's it. Yes, it's carrying out to the Chrome browser. So now connect to the app. Are you seeing it, guys? Take out to the app. This is the app here. This is the top messenger. Earn money every day with our partner and your SMS float rate. Connect this app now and earn daily cash in the partner. Yes, you click on this. Yes, click on change. You have to make this app as a default SMS app because it's an SMS app. I have to connect it with it so that you can earn a day, every day. Just connect it. Choose the one I want to use. Choose the thing I want to use. Wait for some minutes so I can load. choose any of your number, connect. Let's wait, guys. Loading data from for you. What happened is that because I already done the tax yesterday, after connecting it, after I've been connected, it will earn 50 coin a day. Let's back to my daily cash app. You earn 50 coin a day. You can download any app there, many app here, so you can earn faster. Like now, you see, start bonus. You start your bonus, they'll give 50 credits. 50 credits. I've earned 151 credits here. Yeah, this is the. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go to the home. Yes, let's say now you want to download this app. You'll be earning 15 credits every 24 hours, and it is for 4 days. Yeah, for this one, just go to deal to take it to your Play Store, your iPhone store. You download it. It's for you to load. And you see now, yes, like this one now, you don't have any offer for you. I have to go back. I have any offer for you. Say they don't have any offer for you, just leave there. Because before every 24 hours, some app is to come, it will load and come. This one they don't have any offer for us. You can continue doing this one. Like if you continue to do this one like 10 days or in a day, you can find your friend and you can cash out $10 to your PayPal account. Please, if you find this video helpful to you, you can click on the subscription button